How to grow your NFT project on Twitter. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can grow your NFT project on Twitter. So let's get into it. Now, Twitter is one of the most essential platforms out there for any NFT creator or anyone that is looking to get into the NFT game, because Twitter has some of the most active NFT communities out there. Twitter has a very dedicated, section or interaction where NFT creators, illustrators, investors, and people that are just interested in the crypto or NFT space are browsing and talking about the new stuff, talking about whatever is new, fresh, and hot and trending in the sphere of NFTs or crypto. Now, why is it that you need to grow your NFTs on Twitter? How do you do that? And what is the main purpose? So the first main purpose that you need to have is to actually promote your own NFT collection. So let's say I am launching a collection on OpenSea, and even if my collection has super great art, I am not going to get as many sales as maybe a pixelated NFT that you might be wondering, hey, that NFT probably took like 2 hours to make. I spent like 7 days to make this NFT and I spent like 48 hours in this illustration. Why is it not being sold? Why am I not getting the same price as some of these other NFTs? Well, the reason for that is because even if you have some of the best artwork out there, you're not going to be able to get a good sale. You're not going to be getting a good audience if you're not marketing your NFT properly. And Twitter is one of the most organic ways to market your NFTs if you're looking to grow your NFT space and build your own connections in the NFT space. Then Twitter is the best place. So there are a few ways that you can grow your NFT Twitter account. The first thing is you need to create your account. So go into your profile. If you have an empty profile like this, make sure that the cover photo, the background image that you see on your profile is like a collage of your NFTs. Then upload a popular NFT, whatever is your best NFT, just upload it as your basic image, as your, basic image that is going to serve as your profile photo. Then you'll have your profile description. So make sure you're adding, artist, illustrator. So add whatever you want, NFT artist, illustrator, enthusiast, add a little bit about yourself, add a website for your NFT collection. If you have a website for promoting your NFT collection, then make sure you are linking that as well. Now, once you do that, there is the second thing that you need to do, and that is to hit the NFT gold list, but I will discuss that at the end of this video. Before that, you need to start interacting with the NFT community. So there are a few ways that you can do that, but you also need to make sure that you are interacting on a daily basis. And if you're not able to use your NFT account every day, then there are a few tips and tricks that I have that you can employ or deploy so you can make it a little easier for you. You can go on Chrome Web Store. So you're just going to go onto your Chrome Web Store and you can download a Twitter-like bot. So what this basically is that you're going to click on Add to Chrome. You will add this to your Chrome account and it will link to your Twitter. Once you link this Chrome extension to your Twitter, what it's going to do is you can select a specific hashtag and it will automatically, after a certain interval, like posts from that hashtag. And this is a very simple way to make sure that you are active in the Twitter space on, the NFT community, because it's very essential that you have, a footprint on the community. Now, you can leave a bot do that. You can do that for leave the bot running for a couple of hours, and then you can also do some organic interaction, which is even more important. So make sure you are following some of the larger influencers, and that is what I am talking about in the NFT gold list. Now, you might be seeing, a bunch of different NFT influencers that have thousands of followers, but they seem like they have no idea what they're talking about. But then you have other influencers that have a few 100,000 followers, and they have a lot of knowledge on NFTs, and whatever they're talking about is actually being interacted with. People are actually putting value to their opinion. So that is what is essential. Don't follow random influencers that are just promoting NFTs. Follow influencers that actually have, influence in the NFT community. People whose opinion is actually valid or valued in the NFT space. So make sure you do that whenever you are following these influencers. So for that, you have a NFT gold list. So I will link this gold list in the description box, but This was created by Mr. Fungible, so Mr. Fungible has created this list, and it is some of the key people that you should follow if you are an NFT artist, illustrator, or just someone that wants to get into the NFT game. So you're just going to click on the link in the description, or just search for the NFT gold list at Mr. Fungible, and you're just going to click on the members over here. Once you click on the members, you have this list member, and just follow all of these members. I would recommend that you follow all of them. All of these are super influential people or influential marketplaces, just the top tier, the top cream of the NFT space. These are people whose whose opinion is actually valued in the space, and you're just going to interact with these people. Make sure to like their tweets, retweet, and you don't have to do that with every creator or every member of this gold list. Just take a look at whatever interests you, whatever is inspiring you. Talk to those people, try to interact with those people. Don't be like overtly pushy or anything like that, but just take a look at the tweets. And if you like another creator's art on the NFT space, make sure you talk about it. Make sure you're interacting, you're retweeting, so you can retweet, like this NFT, and if you can see this NFT launch over here, if you really like it, you can comment on it, reply to them, be like, hey, I really like this is so amazing, or whatever you want to add your opinion. You need to put in some effort, add your opinion for you to be able to organically grow your NFT Twitter space. That is one of the most key essential things out there. So make sure you are using the Twitter bot to like a couple of tweets in the hashtag, then organically interacting with people, talking to the NFT space, liking people's tweets, and then drop your NFT. So you can see comments like this: I'm an NFT collector, drop your NFTs, and interact with those people. And make sure you are not just promoting your own NFTs, but actually talk about the art that you are passionate about, or talk about any NFTs, even if they're not your own, that you are passionate about. And then you're going to tweet about your own NFTs. So you're going to click on tweet over here, talk about whatever you are launching. Make sure to post it on NFT calendar and link your NFT calendar profile over here. Hey, my new NFT looks you can talk about, hey, looks like I'm being inspired from this NFT collection because my new NFT looks so much like it. And you can just talk about whatever comes to mind regarding your own collections. Post your own NFT videos. So if you have like a promotional video, post that on Twitter as well, and this will give you a lot of growth on your NFT Twitter account. So these are just some of the simple things you need to follow to grow your NFT Twitter account, and with that you will grow your audience, build more connections, and get more sales on your NFT and earn more money. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.